Hello students, I Professor Rajdev welcomes you for the arithmetic group lecture. Student, in the previous lecture you have seen what is data transfer group and its concepts. Now in this lecture we are going to learn what are arithmetic group and its role in programs. Student, as the name suggests, arithmetic group. So this group is responsible for performing all the tasks related with arithmetic operations. This arithmetic group is very important in order if you are going to write a program for calculation purpose. This lecture will be very useful for you, so please watch this lecture till the end. I also suggest all the students to keep a notebook and a pen ready with them and note down the important points and words that you learn. So students, let us start with our lectures. This arithmetic group consists all the instructions that are necessary for performing arithmetical operations in 8085 microprocessor. Our first instruction that we are going to learn is add R. As the name suggests, add. This instruction is responsible for performing addition. In this instruction, add R, add means addition, R is the register. If we write add R, it means the content of register R is added with the content of accumulator. R means all the registers. Remember students, in place of R we can write any register such as B, C, D, E, H, L. Like this, any register we can write in place of R. So this instruction becomes addition register. It will add register with accumulator. A means accumulator. Add the content of R with register A, that is accumulator. The format of add R. Remember, the format means what is the basic role. So A means accumulator will be added with R and the result will go into accumulator. In place of addressing we write addressing mode. If you have not studied what is addressing mode, go back to your addressing videos and see what is the addressing mode. The students, add R. When registers are there, then it belongs to which addressing mode? Yes, it belongs to register addressing mode. It belongs to register addressing mode. The group that this instruction belongs, since we are dealing with arithmetic group, so it belongs to the arithmetic group. This instruction is 1 byte instruction. Flag. In this instruction, all the content of flag are affected. What are the content of flag? Let us see. All the content of flag means sign, zero, auxiliary carry, parity and carry flag. All this content will be affected by add R. Indirectly we can remember this in a single word, that all the arithmetic group affects to the flag content. Now student, this format you have to remember, so please write it down in your notebook. Okay. In 8085 the explanation is given by the word comment. The comment means explanation. Okay. Now what is explanation here? Just see the instruction add R. Add R. What is the format says? A means accumulator, is the content of accumulator is added with the content of register, and the result, these arrows means, this arrow indicates where the result will go. The result will go into accumulator. Okay student, this is clear. Just give attention toward this explanation. The content of register R are added to the content of accumulator. The result is stored in accumulator. All the flags may be affected. Understood? The content of register R are added to the content of accumulator, and the answer will be stored in accumulator, and all the flag contents are affected. All the contents of flags are affected by arithmetic group or add R. Let us see some example also. On the screen you can see one example is given. Since it is arithmetic group, so we have to know this instruction with the help of example. These instructions are also coming in board exams also. Consider D has register R. A is the accumulator. If I write instruction add D, so this add D is equal to the format like add R. So in place of R we have D. So it means what is the format now? The format is the content of accumulator will be added with the content of register. Now what is the content of register? D, and the result will be stored in accumulator. This is the format, right? Now keeping this format in mind, we will do calculation work. Okay, what is there in accumulator? In accumulator we have 05. In register D we have 35. In accumulator there is 05. In register D we have 35. Okay, now since it is a hexa group, it is a hexadecimal number. Now how the calculation has been done, I will show you on the screen. On the screen, let us, what is the content of A? A contains 05, D contains 35, right? H means hexadecimal, it is the unit. Now when we add, what we do, we first convert this into binary, right, in a hexadecimal form. So what is the 05 means? 05 means 0 0 0 0. In 0 I have to represent into 4 digits. Then 5, how I am going to represent 5? 0 1 0 1, right? The same way D, 0 0 1 1. Now 5 0 1 0 1. Okay student, now some students may not be knowing how to convert this into binary, so for that I am giving one trick. Listen here, what you have to do, we have to, if you don't know how to convert this, I am saying what you have to do. Okay, first you write 1 2 4 8. Now the content that you want, suppose I want 0, I want 5, so 5 is a combination of 4 and 1. Other bits will be 0, like this we can indicate 5. Understood? Clear? Now just add this number. 1 1 means 0 carry 1. Again 1 0, that is 1, right? 1 1, that is 0 carry 1. 1 0 1, again 1 1 0 0. Understood? Okay, now this result is given back into accumulator. This result will be stored in accumulator. Now in accumulator I will convert this into hexadecimal. So what is 0 0 1 1? 0 0 1 1 is 3. 1 0 1 0, it is A. Okay, 3AH. Our answer is 3AH. This is our answer. Understood student? Our answer is what? 3AH is our answer. Now if you see in this process, all the content of flag registers are affected. That's why we write all the content of flags are affected in this instruction. You can see the content of S 0, Z 0, auxiliary carry 0, parity 1, carry 1. How this content is given here? Students, since let us, I am giving you an example how it is affected, which the first bits is 0, the sign will be 0. Okay, 0 flag, what is the content of 0 flag? When 0 flag will be set, go and watch the flag registers video on the flag register, it will be get clear. Okay students, understood? Now the content of D, here I have to write the content of A. The A will be having which register? Now in the content of, suppose if I say A will have what? A will have 3A. A will be having 3A. D contain 35. Then what is there in A? A will be have 3AH. What was the question? In A previous, before execution, A was containing 0 5. After execution in A, you can get 3A. Understood? Let us study another format of addressing group, arithmetic group. The next example on arithmetic group is add M. Add M. Okay. Student, if we have instruction like add M, what it means? M basically is a combination of HL. When HL comes together, it will form M, that is a memory. Now how we write this? What is explanation on it? Let us understand it with one example. Any content of memory that is being pointed by HL pair. Okay, HL pair. Suppose I have a memory address like 2100H. So this content is being pointed by HL pair. So whatever address is there in HL pair that has been pointed by memory location, that contain in this, the content, whatever content is there. Suppose I have 101H01. So this 01 will be my content that will go in memory, that is 01. Understood? but only the content of memory location pointed by HL pair. Whenever we talk about M, indirectly HL pair also comes. So what will be the format of this addressing mode? The format of this addressing mode is the content of memory is added to accumulator. The content of memory is added to accumulator. Now the format becomes in this way. A is our accumulator. It will be added in place of M. What we write? HL pair. In place of M we write HL pair, right? In place of M we write content of H plus content of L. Understood? Now after adding the result, we'll go into the content of accumulator. Clear? This is the format. Now which addressing mode? It is pointing indirectly to the HL pair. So it becomes register indirect. It becomes register indirect addressing mode. Okay, which group? Arithmetic group. It belongs to arithmetic group. It belongs to arithmetic groups. How much byte instruction it is? 1 byte. All the content of flags are affected in this instruction. Let us see what are the explanation or the comments on add M. Now before going to the comment, make an idea what is add M. The content of memory location that has been pointed by HL pair will be added with accumulator and the result will be given into accumulator. Yes, see this. The content of accumulator are added to the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL pair. The result is placed in accumulator. All flags may be affected. The content of accumulator will be added with the content of memory location whose address, remember content, here we are talking about content, and the final result will be placed in accumulator. Let us consider one example of this instruction. On the screen you can see HL points to the address D00H. Now what is the content in D00? It is 51H. And what is there in accumulator? 35. In D000 it is 51. No, we are going to see, so we are going to see the content of this location 51 and the content of accumulator. Now if we use the instruction add M, what will happen? Let us see on the screen with the calculation work. The content contains, what is there in M by default now? M contains 51 and if A contains 35, so what will be the addition of all? To this addition will be in this way. Suppose this is our content, so 51 will be converted into 0101. How 1 will be converted? 0001, right? Now how 3 will be converted? 0011. Again how 5 will be converted? 0101. I will do addition. Now this addition will be done and the result will go into accumulator, again into always the result will be in accumulator. Now what is the answer? 1 1 1 1, that is 0 carry 1 1, again 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1. Now this becomes what? This becomes 8. 1 0 0 0 becomes 8. 0 1 0 0 becomes 6. 86H will be my answer in accumulator. So after execution we will get 86 in accumulator and the content of memory will be 51H. I hope all the students have understood this instruction. Let us see the third format of addressing mode. The third example in addressing mode of arithmetic group. Our next instruction is ADI data. ADI data means this instruction adds 8-bit immediate data specified in the second byte of instruction to the content of accumulator. All the content of flag will be affected. Add immediate data. How we read this instruction? Add immediate 8-bit data with the content of accumulator. That is ADI data. ADI data. Okay. Add the content of data, 8-bit data with content of accumulator. Whatever ADI after this, in place of data, data means your data is there. If I write example, it becomes in this way ADI. Data can be anything 0, 1H. So what is the role? Whatever data is there, it will be added with the content of accumulator. Whatever will be there in accumulator will be added with the data 0, 1. Okay, suppose in accumulator we have 0, 3. So 0, 3 will be added with 0, 1 and the result comes again into accumulator. Okay. Let us see the format how to represent ADI data. It is represented by using these formats. A is the accumulator. The content of accumulator will be added with 8-bit data. With that 8-bit data, now here it is data. So the result will go into accumulator. Which addressing mode it is? I have the word I. I have the word I word, you can see ADI. In my explanation for addressing mode I have specified I means immediate addressing mode. Okay, so here I indicates immediate. To which addressing mode it is? Immediate addressing mode. It is immediate addressing mode. Okay, now which group it is? Arithmetic group. It is arithmetic group. How much byte it is? It is a single, no, it is a 2-byte instruction. It is 2-byte instruction. How much byte? 2-byte instruction. It is 2-byte instruction. Flag, all the content of flags are affected. All. We write all. Let us see some example on this instruction. This instruction adds the 8-bit immediate data specified in the second byte of instruction to the content of accumulator. In this instruction itself, the data will be specified. See this example. In this example, suppose I use an instruction like this. If I write ADI EAH. Now ADI, suppose we have written ADI 15H. Okay, now what is there in accumulator? See the content of accumulator EA. What is there in 15? To means what? This EA will be added with 15. Now I will convert E. E is what in hexadecimal? When we use A, B, C, D, E, F. So it is what? Simply just remember A is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Okay, this is one previous revisions that you have done in your 11th standard. Now we have E. So E is actually what? 14. So how 14 is represented? 14 is represented by using like 8 14, राइट। तो 14 को कैसे लिखोगे? 8 + 6 that is 1110. now A1010, राइट। 15 कैसे लिखोगे? 15 के लिए होगा 0001 और 5 के लिए क्या होगा? 0101। अब हम ऐड करेंगे 01 1 हो गया 101 111 101, राइट। 01 1 होगा 101 101 101, okay। everywhere we got 111, so 111 is FF. now I will get in accumulator FFH. now in this process I have to see my flag. in this, sign flag will be 1, zero flag will be 0, auxiliary will be 0, parity will be 1. Parity means it contains even number of ones. Count the number of 1, it will have total 8. 8 is the even parity. Now carry, okay, this is done. Let us see next instruction on arithmetic group. The next instruction is ADCR. ADCR, what is the meaning of ADCR? ADCR means this instruction adds the content of accumulator to the content of register R and the content of carry flag. Means here we will be having A, we will be having R plus carry, that is CY. Remember, carry is a single bit, okay. So this carry will be added and the result will go into accumulator. This will become our format, okay. See the format, it is given in this way. How to specify this format? A will be added, okay. Now R will be added, yes. Carry will be added, yes. And all this result will go into accumulator. Now since here it is a register, so the addressing mode becomes a register addressing mode. Addressing mode becomes register addressing mode. Group is arithmetic group. It is common. Remember, everywhere all these instructions that are belonging to arithmetic group will have a group arithmetic only. Flag, how much byte it is? It is a single byte. All content of flags are affected. Let us see one example on this instruction. Students, at the end I am going to give programming also, so please read all this instruction carefully, then only you can able to write a program on 8085 microprocessor. Let us see the example. On the screen you have one example. A is 5F, D is 33, CY is 01. You can see all the process of calculation given in detail, okay. All the three calculation is there and the final content will go into accumulator. Let us see this calculation on screen. Phi, how phi will be represented? 0 1 0 1, F 1 1 1 1, again 3 0 0 1 1, again 3 0 0 1 1, okay. 0 0 0 0 0 1 will be represented in this way, okay. Now all this content will be added. 1 1 1, when all this 1 is there, so what will be contained by 1 1 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, then 0 plus 1 1. Now 1 1, that is 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 1 0, carry 1, 1 1 0, carry 1. See, carry generated at this point also, parity. D3 is there, right? Auxiliary carry. So 1 1 1, it becomes 1 and carry 1. 1 1 0, carry 1. 1 1 0, carry 1 1. Now this is what? This is 1 0 0 1. It means it is 8. 0 0 1 1, that is 3, 83H, okay. The next example on arithmetic group, the next instruction that is there in arithmetic group is ADCM. How we read this? We read this instruction in this way: the content of memory location whose address placed in HL register pair and the content of carry flag are added to the content of accumulator. The register is placed in accumulator. The register will be placed in, the result will be placed in accumulator. Let us take one example on this. On the screen you can see one example. Okay, so before execution, suppose before execution there is HL pair, there is a HL pair which points to the location. Since it is a M, so we have to write one location. I am writing any location. Suppose my location is C200. Okay, now it is pointing. Now A, so let us consider A consists 35H. Okay, now A is having 35. What is there in CY00? Okay, clear? Since here I will be writing one location, I am changing the location here. I am changing the location. Since it is there F00, so I will be writing here F00. I will be writing here F00. Then it will be make our example more clear. Okay, yes, that is F000H. Now in this, what is the content? A is having 35. Now what is there in F00? It is 05. So what it means? It means A will be added with our HL pair content plus carry. Now what is there in A? In A there is 35. What is there in HL content? We have 05. What is there in carry? There is 00. Now when you add all this, convert into binary 0011 0101. Okay, again 0000, binary 0101, again 0000 00000. Okay, now add all this content. Now you will get an answer like 3AH. Okay, do the addition, you will get how I got a 3A. Let us consider another arithmetic group instructions. The next arithmetic group instruction is ACI data. ACI data means this instruction adds the content of accumulator to the 8-bit immediate data specified in the second byte of instruction along with the content of carry flag. The result is placed in accumulator. All flags may be affected. Okay students, in this what happens? 8-bit data is there, accumulator is there, and carry is there. So how we will write the format? We write the format in this way. We have accumulator plus data plus carry, and the result will go into accumulator. This is a format. Since this instruction consists ACI, last letter is I. Okay, and we have a data also. I've given a trick. We have a data also. Whenever there is a data is specified in the instruction itself, it becomes a immediate addressing mode. It becomes immediate addressing mode. Okay, immediate group, arithmetic group, flag, bytes, flag, all flags are affected. Bytes, it is a 2 byte. Let us take one example on this instruction. In this example, consider carry is having 1H. Okay, accumulator consists 05. How we write all? then 55. If I use a instruction, okay, now the content of accumulator and carry all I have specified. Now what is data? I have data 55, carry is 0 1 and A is 0 5. Do addition of all this instruction. After doing addition, I will get answer 5B in content of accumulator. This is after execution. I hope this example is clear to all students. Let us see next instruction in arithmetic group. The next instruction in arithmetic group is sub R, means subtract the content of register R, subtract the content, okay, whatever is there in register R with accumulator, and the result will be given in accumulator, and all the content of flags will be affected. Clear? Now how to write this format? Like addition, subtractions are also performed. Here the format will be A will be subtracted with the content of register, okay, and the result will be given in accumulator. Which addressing mode it is? Since it contains registers only, so it becomes a register addressing mode. Which group? It belongs to arithmetic group. How much byte it is? It is a single byte. Flag, all flag will be affected. I am writing all register group arithmetic bytes single flag all. Okay, now always remember the subtractions are performed in microprocessor with the help of 2's complement method. It uses 2's complement method to do any subtraction work. Microprocessor uses 2's complement method to do subtraction. Okay, let us go to our example. On our screen I have one example. A contains 37, C, that is a register, it contains 40H. Now C, first whatever is there in C register, whatever is there in C register, I will use it as 40. Okay, now I will write in a binary format 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. I will do 2's complement. Before doing 2's complement, 40 का 2's complement कैसे होगा? 40 how to find 40's 2's complement? 40H का 2's complement कैसे find करोगे? I am giving one example on screen. It is 40H. First we will convert into its original digits in binary format. Okay, in binary format I will convert it to, it becomes 0 1 0 0 0 0 will be in this way. Okay, now when I talk about 1's complement, in place of all 0 it will be changed into 1 0 1 1. 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. 1 1 1. When I say 2's complement, it means we just add 0 1 at the end of 1's complement digits. So 1 1, that is 0, carry 1 0, carry 1 0, carry 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, then 1. Okay, I have got this 1 1 0 0. This is my 2's complement. Just go and see on the screen. Okay, students, you got this as a 1's complement. Now what I will do, 2's complement. After finding 2's complement, I will add with accumulator. I will do the addition. Okay, Now if 0 is there, if the and if you get 0, complement it into 1 से complement कर दो, तो you will get this 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Now remember, the result has a negative number. How we come to know? We get 1 here, right? So it means the result is a negative number. Whenever we get 1, it means the result is negative number, and thus carry flag is set. Students, it is clear? It is just similar to your addition wala, but here we do subtraction. Now just try to write this. Try to write the format of sub m. Try to write format of sub m. M means HL pair. Okay, A will be here. HL pair will be subtracted and the result will go in accumulator. Which addressing mode it is? Register, indirect, group, arithmetic group, byte, single byte, flag, all contents are affected. See the explanation of this. The content of memory location whose address stored in HL register pair is subtracted from the content of accumulator. The result is placed in accumulator. Let us see one example. Example is there on your screen. Just do the calculation. In this 05 07 07 will be subtracted with 05 and the result will go in accumulator. In accumulator I will get 02H. Okay, let us see the next instruction in subtraction. Okay, subtraction SUI data, that is a subtract immediate data. The 8-bit data specified in the second byte of the instruction is subtracted from the content of accumulator. Result is placed in accumulator. All the content of flag are affected. All the content of flag are affected. Let us take one example. On your screen you have example A, accumulator contain 1F. You have a data 1F. When I subtract the same data with 1F, then the result in accumulator is 0. Let us see. If I have in accumulator 1F and my data, if I specify my data as SUI 1F, so what happens? 1F will be subtracted with 1F and I will get in result 0 0. You can see on the screen. After execution, A contains 0 0. Next instruction in arithmetic group is SBBR. That is, the content of register R and carry. Here, that borrow, actually subtraction, it is a borrow flag, right? So what we write? In subtraction, B means borrow. B means borrow. Okay. So this borrow is nothing else but our carry. Clear? SBBR. What it means? The content of register R and carry bit are subtracted from the content of accumulator. The result is placed in accumulator. All the content of flag are affected. Let us take one example. Please solve this example. Now whatever you will get as a 2's complement, I have to find the 2's complement of 40. What I will do, in place of 1 I will replace by 0 and 0 by 1. 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Right? Now just add this with the content of accumulator. 37 with the content of accumulator, that is 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Do the addition, you will get the answer. Okay, this lecture contains all the instructions on arithmetic. In next video you will get programs on these instructions. Okay, please watch that video. Thank you.